One pastor don't come outside. He say Simon Ekpa is a small boy. They say Ikenga Uruagu finally quit IPOB. Hello my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time you are coming across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. If you never subscribe to this channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and also turn your notification bell for a quick update as it is hot. The information where they reach our table today, now be one pastor will come aside. I can't say Simon Ekpa is a small boy, and he talks so many things for that video. So we are going to play you the video for you to watch before we continue and go and look into the Ekpa news we will get for hand. Stay tuned and watch the video.
You may have many churches in the country. Share the broadcast, Prince. Share to your WhatsApp, share to your friends. You may have many churches in the country, but you didn't deal with the challenge that the country is facing. That country will not be restored. No amount of preaching you preach that can restore that country. Why is Simon Ekpa fighting Nigeria government? Simon Ekpa fought the former government of Mr. President Buhari, put a lot of allegations. Tell me one of the benefits, one of the gain Simon Ekpa is gaining. Me and you own this country together. Me and you must also fight to make sure that our country is in a good shape. I want to see somebody. I don't know where a lot of few people are afraid of Simon Ekpa. You don't want to talk because you are afraid. You don't know what he can do to you. Me, I'm not afraid of him. To me, he's a small boy. He's a small boy. He's a complete small boy. And Simon Ekpa is a small boy. Very, very small. Very, very small boy. The questions I'm asking, nobody is putting up any word there. Why is Simon Ekpa fighting Nigeria government? What is his gain? Why is Simon Ekpa fighting Nigeria government? What is his personal gain? Share to every platform.
Hello my wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video and here waiting this pastor talk concerning Simon Ekpa. This one shocked me. May I leave you, may you contribute put for this matter. Anything will be your own opinion, may you leave them for comment section. Let's go and look into the next Ekpa news we will get for hand today. They say the IPOB fighter along the US, what they call Ikenga Uruagu, have finally quit IPOB. Who knows what happened and what is going on? However, we are going to play the video for you to watch, and we will come back. We'll continue.
This letter is to inform you that I am quitting IPOB from today, being the 29th of September 2023. 2023 will be my last day to broadcast under the umbrella of IPOB Media Warrior. I am now independent broadcaster.
Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back. As you have watched that video of Ikenga denying his membership of being IPOB, or I don't know. You know, when you are a freedom fighter, what keep your legacy is when you fight it to the last. But fighting it to the half does not make you a freedom fighter. So Ikenga is out of IPOB, and this is his own report. So the people who are still in the struggle continues, and people who don't believe also in the struggle also continue. This life, everyone must not believe in one thing, because one thing that is bringing all this agitation, all this is number one, they refuse to teach the history in school. Number two, the infrastructures they're supposed to build in the land, they never did it. Because when everything is working fine, nobody will stand up and say, this thing is not good though. Why they are seeing it? The population, they will say you are mad, but it's okay, we are seeing it. And this is the cause of all this thing that is happening. However, let's move to the next update and look into the next Ogbonge news we will get for hand today. There is an interview that I want you to watch carefully and listen carefully what is going on, and watch the questions they ask themselves and what they answer themselves. Just watch this interview.
We've had this issue of IPOB, ESN, affecting sit at home and creating mayhem all over the place. We've seen the killing in Imo State. We saw the killing in Abia State of soldiers, 8 and then 4, about 12 of them in recent time. And the recent attack seems to be targeted at their hideouts. So I'm sure you have something to say about this new development and the fact that the president has procured new attack helicopters.
Definitely, I should have something.
Yeah.
One, as an Igbo man, I'm directly affected.
As a journalist, my brother. As a Nigerian.
Yes. As
what affects Nigerian, any part of Nigeria affects everybody.
What we are looking at,
yes,
is about the security generally in the southeast and beyond. The effect of a helicopter attacking the IPOB and is going to be visible in recent time. One, look at the incident that happened, especially the one that happened at the Himembano. I know that is what must have happened. There are 8 soldiers were slaughtered, killed, burnt their vehicle. It's really pathetic story. Very pathetic. I keep on asking, the people that are doing this, are they not human beings? The people you kill, don't they have families? Don't they have children? Don't they have wives? Don't they have relations? What's this mindless way of what is at stake? I keep on asking. I know I will talk more than I ought to have, because we are disturbed about this. What about talk about the sit at home? Now it has metamorphosed to what they call now coffee.
Okay.
There's one that is going on now.
They impose coffee.
They impose coffee. 3 weeks. You can't pass through Southeast now, isn't it? The man in Finland has and when he gives the directive, hoodlums come out to effect it. coffee 6 a.m. to 1 p.m. for 3 weeks.
1 a.m.
1 p.m.
Okay, 6 a.m. to 1 p.m.
to 1 p.m. Apart from the Monday sit at home. Monday sit at home is 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. Then this one, and you see these people come out. I mean, it is better you go there and see what the economic situation is now. Nothing is happening in Southeast. Virtually nothing is happening in Southeast. And one begin to wonder what they stand to achieve. I'm having the name of this airstrike. I'm very happy about it. Udoka.
That is a new code name for the Southeast combat.
Yes, Udoka.
That was Udoka 1.
This is Udoka 2.
Unlike the Python dance, which was very offensive. Yeah, this one is peace mission.
Peace mission. So I love it, and I wish our people, the Southeasterners, Nigeria in general, should embrace peace, should embrace dialogue, should know means and ways of agitation.
Did I just hear that there is a means of a way of agitation? Oh my God, I hear something here. It said there is a means and a way of agitation that is also happy for the bombardment in Southeast as well. But the question is that you said you are an Igbo man. Why can't you drove to those areas and find out where those army they have their airstrike, where they bomb, to check if it is your cousin's house? Because the last time that I checked, the places they bomb are not hideouts. It's a resident of people that they bomb. Is on internet. If you can't even go, it's on internet as well. And another thing is that, how did all these things started? When they started, are they like those killings happening? The answer is no. When the military are brutalizing and killing people that is protesting, have you come aside to condemn it? The answer is no. But however, you see how if Onongo men come for you tomorrow, somebody like you will still come outside and talk. But what related to, or what caused what you are saying, you didn't say it, but you are saying the one you are seeing presently. Remember a video that shows when the military men are shooting people's residence without regarding of somebody being inside, shouting as I wanna I would bring that video up for you to see. And today you people don't see all those things. I'm not against people who want to be one Nigeria or people who want to separate, but what we are doing in this channel is to tell the fact the way it is, the truth and nothing but the truth. The truth and nothing but the truth. This is what we are bringing up here. The place you think that if you get it right, we said yes. The area you don't get it right, will tell you that you didn't get it right. If you want to judge somebody of maybe committing offense, you bring the evidence of the offense you committed. Yes, yeah. Now, do you ask why all these things are going on? The answer is no. It did not ask those ones. So it didn't remember that was a time that IPOB are burying people almost every day throughout the whole year. They kill thousands of people, and today that has been forgotten. Hello my wonderful people, please share this video and also subscribe to this channel. We'll see you in the next update.